using a profit screenshot editor, although it mentions fake screenshot generator in the title, which suggests it might not be related to legitimate profit tracking. You can watch the video for more information. Zerodha and other profit screenshot editor, fake screenshot generator. You can check out a video tutorial by Ashu Bagri on YouTube that discusses profit screenshot editing using Zerodha and other tools. There are various apps available for generating fake screenshots, such as Mimi Message, Fake App, Screen Master, Fake Chat, What's Mock Text Prank, and more. These can be handy for creating fictional profit screenshots. If you need to create panoramic screenshots for iOS and Android apps, Screenshots Pro offers an online generator with templates to get started. Screen Master is a free, easy-to-use screenshot and photo markup tool for Android users. While it's not specifically for fake profit screenshots, you can use it for editing and annotation. You can create fake screenshots of websites, including fake earnings screenshots, using online tools like the one mentioned in the geekpage.com. If you need website screenshots, you can use advanced website screenshot generators like screenshotmachine.com. The search results also mention free fake screenshot generator apps, such as Mimi Message, Fake App, Screen Master, and others for both Android and iOS devices. While these apps can create fake screenshots, it's important to note that they are typically used for prank purposes and not for legitimate profit tracking. There's an online tool called Screenshots Pro that allows you to create panoramic screenshots for iOS and Android apps. This might be useful for app developers looking to showcase their apps in app stores but may not be directly related to profit tracking. There is a discussion on tradingqa.com about how to spot fake screenshots of trader profits. It suggests that traders sometimes post fake screenshots, and the post discusses methods to identify them, emphasizing the importance of verifying profit statements. The search results include an Android app called Screen Master, which is a free screenshot and photo markup tool. This app allows you to capture and edit screenshots on your Android device, but may not be specifically for profit tracking purposes. An article mentions the ability to create fake screenshots of various types, including tweets and AdSense earnings. However, this is likely for creative or humorous purposes and not for tracking actual profits. There's an online tool mentioned that allows you to capture screenshots of web pages from different devices using various resolutions. While useful for capturing web content, it may not be directly related to profit tracking. An article discusses the issue of faking or editing trading profit screenshots by influencers and highlights that this should be considered fraud. It emphasizes the importance of verifying profit statements in the trading world. There's an app screenshot creator by App Institute mentioned in the search results. This tool helps app developers create app screenshots for app stores but is not directly related to profit tracking. In summary, the search results provide information about various tools and discussions related to screenshots, some of which are related to fake screenshots or app promotion. When it comes to tracking profits, it's important to rely on legitimate financial statements and not engage in fraudulent activities. Be cautious when using tools that may create fake screenshots, as they can harm your credibility in the trading or business world. Always verify and rely on authentic financial data for decision-making. It's essential to note that creating fake profit screenshots or misleading financial information can be unethical and potentially illegal, especially in the context of trading and investments. Always use such tools responsibly and avoid any fraudulent activities. Please exercise caution and ethical responsibility when using these tools, as spreading false information can have serious consequences.